Good day friends and welcome to the channel. In this one I'll show you how to use Meshy AI to turn your usual images into 3D. So firstly, make sure to set up an account and you will get 100 free credits. And after that, from this menu, choose Image to 3D. This will allow us to begin. And as you can see here, we have, for example, based on your survey, there are some examples for you. So you just pretty much skip this for now, or you can indeed choose those. In my case, I will just use a small little simple character that I've downloaded from Google to turn him into 3D. So in here you can just drag and drop. So this is my character just on the white background. In here you can just choose standard or low poly. Choose AI model. Which one to use? Use always latest is the best. Pose and multi-view available on the premium subscription, and license also as well. Then as you can see, the generation will take about 1 minute and will cost you 20 credits. Press on generate. Alright, so when the generation is complete, you will have our red-headed cartoon character in here in our media. Alright, so here's our character. You can just open it up now. As you can see, we have opened our 3D editor. And for some reason it did not apply the colors, but we can easily do that later. And in here, guys, as you can see, this is pretty much our 3D model, created completely from scratch only by using this little image. So that's how you do it, guys. Pretty simple. Then when you're ready, just press download and download it in your preferred format. Enjoy turning your usual ones into 3D. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe.